Hi guys, welcome to Murales Cuisine, and this is your girl Shika. Bienvenue if this is your first time here. Today we are cooking some pork stew and curry rice, and I'm so excited to share that with you. I have some recipe in mind that I want to translate onto my plate. Like, I have food ideas, I have things I want to try, and like I said, it's Murales Cuisine where we paint food, so we're about to paint food. Wash my hands and then we can start this show. I'll start with steaming the pork. I'll put the link of that in this video for those who haven't watched it yet. Remember, you don't have to add anything to this, just stick it onto the fire and you're set. So the pork has been cooking for 6 minutes. I'll leave it on the fire for extra 6 minutes. If you're not like me and you don't want to overcook your pork, just take it off. So moving on, I'll be blending my fresh tomatoes with my tomato paste and my onions. I'm doing this to save time and also to work with one piece. So let's talk about Jesus. Hallelujah. No, that's an aside. Anyways, I like my meat juicy, so let's fry it. You know, let's not make this thing too dry and too brown. So flip, 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 and you are done. Now let's put in our second batch. Don't be too judgmental about them bones. It will come out great at the last show. And the bone marrow is just as great as the meat. Yeah, so whilst we're waiting for the meat to get ready, let's just chill. So after sieving the excess oil off, this is what is left of it. I'm leaving the pieces of meat in there. I've set my heat to low so I don't burn the meat in there. Remember that keeping the heat on low also helps your onion to release off some sugary taste and also flavor your oil. This is the same spice mix we used in marinating the pork. If you haven't seen that video yet, please go and watch it. However, I'll list the ingredients in this mix below. So at this point, this sauce has almost all the spices we are using for the dish. However, we are missing a few spices and seasoning. So I'll lower the heat to allow it to build flavor, and then I'll add the seasoning. I'll put in my cube or I can break it. I'll just leave it in there. and then my curry, and then I'll add some salt to taste. Let's add the pork stock. I almost forgot. Now, because I didn't add water to my pork while steaming, I have a compact stock, which is a good thing considering that I almost forgot. Else I'd have to wait till the stew dehydrates, and that will be time consuming. Now that the stew is ready, I'll put in our meat. I'm keeping the bones because the bone marinates well in flavoring the stew, and I love it. Now let's come to the final step. I'll put this heat on low just to allow the stew to simmer and dehydrate further because I like my stew dry. And then I'll top it up with some onions. You know, some people finish their stews with herbs and other things, but I like onions when it comes to stew. So if you like this video and the other videos I've posted so far, please subscribe, and I promise to post something more interesting every week. Thank you.